welcome back to another video of how to use Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to send crypto payments via QR code in Ace Wallet. First, launch the Ace Wallet application on your device and log in using your credentials. Now, go to your home screen and click on View Assets button. After that, you will see all of your assets here. Select the wallet. On the main wallet screen, tap on Send button. This will open the sending interface. You will see an option to scan a QR code. Here you can see Scan button. Click on it. After scanning the recipient address and the payment amount, review the details of the transaction to ensure everything is correct. If the QR code doesn't include specific payment amount, you will need to type the amount of cryptocurrency to send manually. If needed, you can adjust the transaction fee for faster or slower processing by tapping the fee option in Ace Wallet. Once you are ready, tap Confirm to complete the transaction. You'll see a confirmation that the payment was sent successfully. After the payment is sent, you can view it in the Transaction History section of Wallet. You can also track its status on Blockchain Explorer if necessary. By following these steps, you can easily send crypto payments via QR code using Ace Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.